Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce Cases with multiple Jira projects using Unito's new Jira Advanced connector. So let's start with the demo. I'll start by creating 3 different cases in Salesforce. This is where the ticket escalation workflow starts. Depending on the case type in Salesforce, so whether it's a technical case, electronic, or structural, they will sync to a different Jira project. Each Salesforce case also includes basic details like a subject and description. We're just about done creating our 3 Salesforce cases and adding a case type, so I'll jump ahead and show you how this integration works. Let's head into Unito and run a manual sync. This will replicate each case we've created as an issue in a separate project in Jira. So if we go down to our activity stream, we can see that those issues are now being created in Jira. So if we head over to the bugs and requests board, we can see that the technical issue has been created. And if we click into it, we can see the description, the subject, and the link. Over in our electronics board, we can see that electronics issue was sent over. And finally, in our Scrum board, we have the structural issue for software updates. We support two-way sync, so you can add comments, change statuses, add attachments, and much more, and all this will sync back to Salesforce. So teams in both tools can keep communicating as a ticket is worked on. So I'll show you an example. I'm adding a comment to let the team know in Salesforce that we're working on it. I'm going to add an image as an example of the problem that we've encountered, and then move the status from to do to in progress. Teams in the other 2 Jira boards can add their own updates to each issue, and that information will sync back to the related case in Salesforce. Back in Salesforce, we can see all of these changes are reflected. The status is work in progress, my comment is there, and if I head over to the attachment section, I can see that image that I attached in the comment. So now I can show you how this is all set up in Unito. The first step is to connect your tools, Jira and Salesforce. I chose a multi-project configuration and picked a template project. The template tells Unito which project to base field mappings on for all projects. And we're going to map the fields that are shared between these different projects that you include in your flow. I've then connected that to Salesforce Cases. For a flow direction, I chose one way, which creates cases in Jira from Salesforce, though it could be the other way around or two-way. For my rules, I kept them blank, though you could set a rule on which cases sync based on any of these Salesforce fields. You can add multiple rules to filter just the cases you want. The last step is to map your fields. As long as field names are similar, we will automatically map them for you. The first one I've mapped is status, so to do with new, in progress with work in progress, and done with completed. I've then added comments, links, summaries, descriptions, and attachments. Most importantly, I'm mapping project keys in Jira with case types in Salesforce. This is the field that I use in Salesforce to pick which project a case needs to be routed into. We can see the Scrum project, the Agile project, and the Bugs project, and these are all reflected in the project keys and mapped with case type in Salesforce. I've mapped to 3 Jira projects, but you can add as many as you like. Thanks a lot for watching.